So how do you prepare a home that's worth $5 million or more? Is it different than any other home? And the answer is yes. And why is it different? And it's because the buyers are different. There is a different sophistication level that buyers have when they start to get to these ultra luxury type homes. So why does it matter to you? Well, because the better the home is prepped, the more someone's going to pay for it. Simple things like paint and carpet and front doors and garage doors and little things like that, flooring is incredibly important, could elevate the price by hundreds of thousands of dollars. So if maximizing the price is important, you do have to pay attention to the things that matter most to those type of clients. The one common thread I find amongst high-end buyers is typically, and this is probably true for everybody, but everybody's busy, right? Especially as you're moving up this ladder. They're either both working, they've got 3.2 kids and a dog, their day is full. And the last thing they want to work on is remodeling their home as soon as they get in there. They want to walk in, fall in love, and move in. If you can create that feeling in a home, you're going to get the buyers who will elevate what they will spend on the house. They will pay for convenience. That is more important to them than getting the best deal in town. It's convenience, it's time, and time is money to them. So preparing a home to make it look absolutely beautiful and move-in condition can put hundreds of thousands of dollars in your pocket. So, let's get a little bit more specific. And I'm going to key in on 4 things that I think are the most important when prepping a home for sale. One, that overall look that you get when you walk in the house. And I'm going to put these 2 together, but it's paint and flooring. The 2 most important things, paint and flooring. Fresh paint goes a long ways. And I can tell you that there are a lot of homes that have custom paint colors, but those custom colors are from 20 years ago. And they don't work. They don't excite the buyer when you walk in. So consider identifying what the popular colors are of right now, or certainly go extremely neutral and extremely bright. And that will overcome almost any wrong color that's in a house. And flooring is everything. So it can be a significant job, but it's probably the one that will return the most profit. So if you have old school carpet, old school wood flooring, I can't tell you how many homes I've walked in where there's different wood flooring in different rooms because of the fact that they decided to add wood flooring at different times. And the popularity of certain woods changes. And so as painful as it can feel, ripping it all out and putting in new flooring can go a long way. There's nothing like walking into a home with beautiful wide plank, white oak wood flooring throughout. It looks like the home was built yesterday. It can make a massive difference. Number 2 is landscape. So this is a first impression as you're walking up to the home. It's an impression when you're walking outside. But spending the money with a good landscape architect or a great gardener who can clean up the old weeds, trim back the trees, really showcase the home and the backyard. The one thing that goes a really far for the money, or where you really get a big return, wood chips. It's like painting the yard. If you just put brand new wood chips in the outer areas of the garden, it looks so amazing. Obviously, fresh flowers is critical. So that's number 2. Number 3 is decluttering and staging. I think it's a well-known fact that that's really the biggest thing that people can do to a home to really showcase it. But it's sometimes hard for people to see that. Because when you live in a home, you live there for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, you love your house, right? You love everything about it. You entertain there, your kids are there, everything's amazing, and you just can't see what you can't see. And that's probably the biggest change you can make. So really work hard on getting a great consultant who can advise you the best way to stage the home. The 4th, and probably the most expensive change, is looking at the kitchen and or bathrooms. These are potential remodel changes, countertop changes, but those are the wow factors that really draw in a buyer on a luxury home. So if you have the current style of light countertops and the current style that fits with that house, whether it's modern which is a really common change. You can modernize almost any architectural style with going with white countertops and squared off corners. Again, with bathrooms, it's another location that people walk into, and if they're wowed, that excitement that they got when they first walked in the home continues. And that's what's going to help someone feel comfortable buying that home and paying top market dollar for it because they can move right in. These four things are not new in real estate in general, but in the high end, I find that our clients that are buying are more willing to pay more money for a home that meets their needs and allows them to move in quickly and comfortably. Because when you go down lower on the price tier, it's all about affordability more than anything. And as you move up, it's about convenience and beauty. And that to me is the significant difference in high-end real estate.